In this video, I'm going to go over how to merge cells in the blank row that we just inserted in between the different wing types. And that way we can use those as a label. So we're going to start with Delta. We're going to merge the first about 13 cells here. You can see, okay, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cells. And so once they're selected, by simply left clicking, holding your left click down and dragging, you can merge. So you'll come up here to this button right here, and you'll click that button, and now your cells are merged. Now we're going to enter, so I'm going to double click in there. So here's my cursor, and I'm going to type in Delta Wing Totals. And I'm going to highlight it, and I could press Control B on my keyboard, or you can come up here and click this B for bold. And now you can see this is where our totals are going to start. So you could also, if you wanted to justify this differently, which I don't, but you could left, you could center justify it, but let's leave it justified here all the way to the right. That way we can see our average, median, mode, and range right after it. So we're going to do the same thing for each of the other wing types. So we're going to highlight the first 13 cells here for elliptical wing. We'll click on merge cells, and then we will type in, we'll double click and type in elliptical wing and totals. I'm going to hit Control A. That will select everything, just like selecting it with your mouse. And then I'm going to hit Control B to make it bold. So you could also click up here on the bold. And I'm just going to click in that cell to get out of that selection. Now I'm going to go down, and we're going to do the same thing for straight wing. We're going to highlight the first 13 rows. I should say cells in row 164, and we do a merge cells, and then we'll double click. We'll start typing in, we want straight wing totals, and I'm going to do a Control A, Control B, just to make it a little bit faster. And then I'm going to get out of that selection. I'm going to come down here to my last one, swept forward. We'll highlight the first 13, and we will enter, or we'll click on our merge cells button. We'll double click, and we'll type in swept forward totals. And we'll do a Control A, Control B. So now we have our data laid out, and we're ready to start calculating exactly what these totals are.